Please.
Michael Phoenix, there is no escape.
I'm gonna guess Jeremy and Luigi are gonna get the most
Oh
one.
my god, we were just so... I played a bit of Austin.
Austin?
Yeah.
Austin's sitting by himself though, he knows.
Over there.
I don't even want to be here. I think we're all gonna get it.
Can I sit in the middle?
You're gonna get what?
I'm not taking the risk.
There's no way. Those seats are too nice.
No way walking in... No. I'm used to that. No.
They're telling us now. Low budget.
Oh no.
It's not warm out.
Luigi's like pissed off to be able to do that.
Oh, he's getting the first one.
We're getting it. Look how like green the water is.
Oh wait, what the fuck?
We're not fouling now.
This is what Great Adventure used to have.
Yeah, Great America's wave machines turned off.
Oh.
Oh, yes, thing where you can get stuck.
Oh!
Guys, I don't like this thing.
Oh!
Are we stuck here? No, I want to leave. Where you can get stuck for like 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
So far, this is great.
Wait, I don't like what I just saw. I saw nothing, right? I'm already gone.
Oh, crap.
Oh, yes, that's true.
I just want to think you're gonna want. No way.
Sorry, I did my line.
Hold your back up.
Oh, I'm fucked. No!
Okay, okay.
Someone get through. Dames en heren, blijven zitten alsjeblieft. Ja. Please, stay seated. Meine Damen und Herren, bitte Sie nicht sitzen bleiben.
What's that song? After the police? That's what we gotta play.
Oh, we're gonna hit. Jeremy's like, my shoes are still dry, everything.
I know, I don't want them to turn green. Oh god, I have to wear these on the plane tomorrow. That's why I don't wear my sandals.
Oh, my back! That was really cold.
That was a wet whack of water.
I didn't think it would go like that.
The one at Holiday World during Hollywood Nights, the waterfall just stayed on. They didn't turn it off.
Oh no.
Ooh, it's steamy.
They used to have water. Yeah, they used to drizzle from... and they were staying on all the time.
For once in my life, I'm happy
There's
the
something
effects
else
are
staying
off.
on as well. It's going. Right away.
Oh crap.
Have you done Popeyes yet, Yos?
Oh yeah, there it is.
Yos, have you been on Popeyes? What the hell? That's the best one.
Yeah, it's still on.
Oh my god. Oh my god!
There it is.
Jeremy, what the fuck?
I don't want to ride this.
Well, you can still step out. Who signed up for it? Oh yeah, I did.
Oh no! No! Oh!
That was actually not too bad. What the hell is this though?
I don't know. I don't want to know.
What the fuck?
What is it supposed to mimic? Like
A dam break.
What is that?
Brr, I'm cold.
Try it again.
Okay. That's not Popeyes. That was worse than Popeyes.
That was fun.
How'd everyone like it?
That's good.
Not too bad. Orange is pretty good.
That's a fun, man.
Loogie, what do you say?
I got to start the fuck.
Hold on. I got the most wet when we just stuck there when the water was.
I think he got the worst because he's the one that got like hit with the raft.
Yeah, my back is
Like,
really
his back
soaked.
This is why we don't straddle the car.
My back.
I know, I would have been fine if I just sat normally.
You barely got wet. You're like, I'm getting off this shit.
Sam's like, I hate this.
There's a video of
Is this
Old
the
Man
most
Silver.
wet right here?
Yeah.
Let's see.